Hello everyone, and this is a video on how to install Eclipse IDE. So for what we're going to do here is we're going to install Mars 2. It's a previous package. The current package is Neon, but in this class we're going to do the IDE for Java can't talk. IDE for Java developers. Based off what version of software you have or operating system, you'll choose Windows 32 or 64-bit. In this case, I'm going to choose Mac because that's what I have. So I'm going to click on this. And you're going to get this download button. Click download. The thing about Eclipse is basically, now it's downloading right here. If you're running Windows, it has this GZ, tar.gz. Apple automatically unzips it. I believe that Windows 10 has a program on it that unzips it. But if you're looking for a program that does zip it, go to this website right here. I think it's called 7zip. 7zip.org. Yeah, this is a open source. I would recommend it. It's simple. It's easy. You can download those types of files. So just remember that in case you're looking for something to do to 7zip.org. It's free. All right, it's still downloading. I'll pause it here while it's downloading so you don't have to sit through this. All right, well, welcome back. As you see, it finally downloaded. I don't know, actually, you can see that or not. All right, there it is. It was downloading the whole time. So I was talking about the tar.gz. Apparently, you weren't able to see it. All right, so I'll double click on it. And, oh, what did I do? Let me actually, it automatically went there. All right, let's see, where did it go? All right, so here's my file that I downloaded. Let me copy and move it somewhere else. I don't like where it's at. So let me go here. See here. Just gonna pick a folder. See here. New folder. I'm just gonna call it my downloads for now. All right, I'm gonna paste it in here. All right, this way I want to zip it here, so I know what is being zipped. All right, so when I zipped it, I zipped this here. So I'm going to see if this is how simple it is. When you get this, if you're using Apple, hit open. All right, so this is Mars.2. Now it's going to look a little bit different. When you're doing Windows, you're going to get a bunch of files. Right now, what happens is the first thing you do is when you do download it, you might get a weird error message. And if you get an error message, you need to install JVM. It's a Java Virtual Machine. You need to have 1.8 if you're running Mars. If some computers might already have a previous version on, and I'll have a video on how to do that. But right now, let's pretend that everything went perfectly fine. You installed it, Windows or Apple. This is how you install it on an Apple. So here's the workspace. It gives you you don't have to choose this workspace. You could come up with your own name, and how you do that is you would go to this URL. Now this looks a little bit different because it's running on a Mac. I would go to browse. It brings up, because I already have a workspace with information here. So in this demo, I don't want to show you how to do that. So what I want to do is, let me go, no, we'll get to that URL. But we're going to go to documents. All right, so we went to documents. As you see here, I got different workspaces here. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Workspace CIT 130 NC71. All right. So I'm going to copy this here. Copy. Close this out. What I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to paste in that new information I put in there. That right there. I'm going to click OK. It's going to open up a new version of Mars. Now it's going to be a clean workspace. So I'll drag this over here real quick. And oops, exit that. And there you go. You have a clean workspace of Mars. And that is pretty simple on how you install it. So if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. Thank you for listening.